Good evening, everyone. I'm audible, guys, all of you. Anyone, please respond in chat box. Am I audible? Okay. So, what we discussed previous class, guys, I think percentage concept completed, right? Yes. Okay. So, move on to next topic, guys. One of the important concept in aptitude problems and ages. If you are preparing for any exam, the concept weightage is at least 1 to 3 marks, guys. Here, that's why very important concept and very dead easy concept, guys. Here, very important concept and very dead easy concept. If you are preparing for any exam, for example, so TCS exam, Wipro exam, whatever the exam, we get question frequently from this concept, problems and ages. Okay, right. So before going to the concept, 2 points are very important, guys. Here, before going to the concept, 2 points are very important. The first one is, what is the ratio? What is the ratio? Okay, for example, 10 rupees is to 100 liters. What is the ratio, guys? Anyone? All of you, please respond in chat box. 10 rupees is to 100 liters. What is the ratio? Okay, somebody saying answer 1 is to 10. Very good, but it is a wrong answer, guys. Here. Why? Because the screen is not visible. So screen visible clear ga undandi. So anyone? All of you get the same issue? Please respond in chat box. It's visible. Okay, very good, excellent. Okay, na? Right. So somebody saying answer 1 is to 10. Very good, but it is a wrong answer, guys. Here. Why? Because here is given 10 rupees. Here is given 100 liters. How can you calculate rupees and liters? Calculate చేయొచ్చు మనము rupees liters ని? No అండి. For example, 10 rupees, 100 rupees. Then answer is 1 is to 10. 10 liters, 100 liters. Then answer is 1 is to 10. Okay, so 10 rupees is one quantity, 100 rupees is another quantity. Two quantities are same units. Two quantities are same units is called the ratio. What is the ratio, guys? Two quantities are same units is called the ratio. Okay, so for example, A comma B, the ratio is A is to B or A by B is same. A is to B or A by B is same. For example, 2 is to 3 or 2 by 3 is same, guys. Here 2 is to 3 or 2 by 3 is same. Just remember, guys, what is the ratio? So ratio means two quantities are same units is called the ratio. Okay, it means similarity, guys. Ratio means similarity, right? And coming to the next one, proportion. Second point is, what is a proportion? Proportion means two ratios are equal. A is to B is one ratio and C is to D is another ratio. Two ratios are equal is called the proportion. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. It's a very important, guys, sir, proportion. For example, 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6. Find out the proportion. Find out the proportion. Look like A, B, C and D. So what is the proportion formation? AD is equal to BC. Then 2 into 6 is equal to 3 into 4. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. 12 is equal to 12. It is a proportion or not? Yes, it is a proportion. The proportion means two ratios are equal is called the proportion. Okay, for example, 12 is equal to 10. It is a proportion? No, it is not a proportion. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding these 2 points? What is the ratio? What is the proportion? ఇంకా రేషియో అండ్ ప్రపోర్షన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉందండి. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ క్లియర్ గా క్లారిటీగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తానండి. ఇంకా సో రేషియోస్ లో మేము డూప్లికేట్ రేషియో, సబ్ డూప్లికేట్ రేషియో, ఓకేనా? సో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్స్ ఉంటే అక్కడ క్లారిటీగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ కి ఎంతవరకు రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉందో అది మాత్రమే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తానండి. Right? What is the ratio? What is the proportion? Ratio means two quantities are same units is called the ratio or similarity. Okay, right. Coming to the next one, proportion. Two ratios are equal is called the proportion. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. It's a very, very important, guys. Second point. Okay, right. And listen, guys, here. Total enter the concept, no formulas, guys, here. Total enter the concept, no formulas. Only formation is there. Only formation is there. If you read the question properly, we'll get the answer, guys, here. Okay, right. So I'm taking one more example, guys, here. For example, present, my age is 30 years. Present, my age is 30 years. 5 years ago, 5 years ago, my age was how much, guys? Present, my age is 30 years. 5 years ago, my age was how much, guys? Okay, very good. 25 years. My age is how much? 25 years. And so ago means minus, guys, here. Ago means minus. Okay, I'm taking same example. Present, my age is 30 years. So 5 years before, 5 years before, my age was how much? 25 years. And ago anna, before anna, minus and good pet ponandi. Just remember minus. Okay, right. I'm taking same example. Present, my age is 30 years. Present, my age is 30 years. After 10 years, my age will be how much, guys? After 10 years, my age will be how much? 40 years, guys, here. Okay, 40 years. And after and meaning ఏంటండి? Plus and గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Right. I'm taking same example. Present, my age is 30 years. 10 years hence, my age will be 40 years. And this concept, just remember, after or hence means plus, ago or before means minus. These 2 points are very, very, very important, guys, here. Ago or before means minus, after or hence means plus. Okay, na? So very, very important, guys, here. I'm taking one example. For example, the present AB, two persons, guys, here. Two persons, the present sum age is 60 years. Two person, the present sum age is 60 years. 3 years ago, their ages was how much? 3 years ago, their ages was how much? What is the answer, guys? Think generally, guys, will get the answer. Here, no formulas, only formation is there. So, AB, two-person present sum age is 60 years. 3 years ago, their ages was how much? What is the answer, guys? All of you, please respond in chat box. Yes, somebody saying answer 30. Very good, but wrong answer. What about remaining? Yeah, very good. Somebody saying 57. So 52nd, very good, but wrong answer. Yeah, anyone? First, listen question carefully. Two persons A and B, the present sum age is 60 years. 3 years ago, their ages was how much? Yeah, very good. Somebody saying answer 27. 27 is very good, but wrong answer. Somebody saying answer 54. Very good, excellent, Andy. 54 is the right answer, guys. Yeah. 54 is the right answer. Listen, guys, here carefully. For example, A is myself, A is myself, and B is yourself. Okay, na? A is myself and B is yourself. సో లిజన్ గైస్, నా ఏజ్ డిక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. నా ఏజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ డిక్రీజింగ్ అన్నారు కదా, ఎగో అన్నారు అంటే నాకు 3 years డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అదేవిధంగా మీకు కూడా 3 years డిక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది. టోటల్ హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ డిక్రీజింగ్? 3 + 3, 6 years decreasing. 60 minus 6. 60 minus 6 is how much, guys? 54 years. So 3 years ago, their ages was how much, guys? 54 years. Previous exam lo, examples lo, only myself, only one person andi. కానీ ఇక్కడ 2 persons ఉన్నారు, A and B. ఓకేనా? Clear, guys, all of you? Right. I'm taking one more example, guys, here. 3 persons, ABC, the present sum age is 60 years. The present sum age is 60 years. After 5 years, so there will be, their ages will be how much, guys, here? After 5 years, their ages will be how much? What is the answer, guys? All of you, please respond in chat box. So fundamentals are very, very important, guys. If you are perfect in fundamentals, total entire concept is very, very, very dead easy. 3%, the present sum age is 60 years. After 5 years, their ages will be, yeah, very good. Somebody saying answer 75. Very good, excellent, Andy. So, and A key 5 years, B key 5 years, C key 5 years. Total how many years increasing? 15 years increasing. 60 plus 15. So 75 is the after 5 years their ages will be. Very good, excellent, Andy. Very good, excellent. Okay, na? So just remember, guys, here in this concept, ego or before means minus, after or hence means plus. Any doubts regarding these 2 points, guys? Okay, right, Andy. So last point, twice problems, thrice problems. Twice means 2 times, thrice means 3 times, guys, here. And 4 times, 5 times, 10 times problems రావాసారంటే వస్తాయండి. No issue. Okay, right. First read the first statement, guys. Father age is 3 times the age of his son. Father age is 3 times the age of his son. Okay, na? First of all, I am going to basic method, guys, here. Son ages we don't know. Son ages we don't know. Let x, guys, here. Son ages we don't know. Let x. Father age is how much? 3 times. Father age is 3 times the age of his son. 3 times. X into 3, 3x. This is a formation, guys, here. Okay, 3x is to x. This is a basic method. If you are going to shortcut method, okay, son ages we don't know. Let 1, guys, here. Let 1. అంటే ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది డౌట్ వస్తుంది అనమాట, సార్ 1 ఎందుకు అనుకుంటారు సార్, 2 అనుకోవచ్చు కదా. ఎస్, టేక్ 2. ఓకేనా సార్, సన్ ఏజ్ 2 ఎందుకు అనుకుంటారు సార్, 5 అనుకోవచ్చు కదా. యూ కెన్ టేక్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో సన్ ఏజ్ ఇస్ 100 అనుకోవచ్చు కదా. ఎస్, యూ కెన్ టేక్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకేనా, జస్ట్ క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సన్ ఏజ్ we don't know, let 1. Father is how many times? 3 times. 1 into 3, 3. Okay, na? 3 is to 1. Next, for example, you're taking son age is 2 parts. Okay, father is how many parts? 3 parts. 2 3s are 6. You're taking son age is 5 parts. So 5 3s are 15. You're saying you're taking son age is 100. Okay, na? 100 into 3, 300. Okay, na? Let me calculate, guys, here. 2020 cancel. Then final answer is 3 is to 1. Okay, 5 1s are 5 3s are. The final answer is 3 is to 1. Next, 2 1s are and 2 3s are. The final answer 3 is to 1, 3 is to 1. You can take any value finally we will get the same answer. ఓకేనా? సో అందుకని సో జనరల్ గా మనం సో సన్ వి డోంట్ నో లెట్ 1 అనుకుంటామండి. ఇక 1 అంటే మీకు ఇలాంటి డౌట్స్ ఉండకూడదు. క్లియర్ గైస్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఆర్ యూ ఫాలో విత్ మీ? సేస్ ఆర్ నో? ఓకే, రైట్ అండి. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, father is aged 3 times more than his son. Father is aged 3 times more than his son. First of all, I am going to basic method guys here. Son ages we don't know. Let 1. Son ages we don't know. Let 1. Father is how many times? 3 times. X into 3. 3x. More. More means adding. Less means subtraction. More than his son. Son age is how much? X. 3x plus x. 4x is to x. This is the formation guys here. 4x is to x. If you are going to shortcut method, son ages we don't know. Let 1. Father is how many times? 3 times. 1 into 3. 3. More. More means adding. More than his son. Son age is how much? 1 part. 3 plus 1. 4. 4 is to 1 or 4x is to x. It's the same meaning guys here. Clear guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this point guys? Twice problems and thrice problems. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ 5 టైమ్స్ ఉంది అనుకుందామండి ప్రాబ్లం లో. ఫాదర్ ఏజ్ ఈస్ 5 టైమ్స్ ద ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ సన్. సన్ ఏజ్ ఇస్ వి డోంట్ నో. లెట్ 1. ఫాదర్ ఇస్ హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్? 5 టైమ్స్. 1 into 5, 5. So that is the formation guys sir. 5 is to 1. Clear guys, all of you? Right. So if you are perfect in fundamentals guys, total enter the concept is very dead easy. Okay, so what is the ratio, what is the proportion? Okay na? So ago or before means minus, after or hence means plus, and twice problems and thrice problems. Approximately 4 or 5 points are there. If you are perfect in this 4 or 5 points, total entire the concept is very dead easy guys. I think 70 or 80% problems are no need pen and paper guys. Without pen, okay, we are going to solve the problem without pen guys. Any doubts regarding fundamentals guys? Right, move on to first question guys. The ratio of the present ages of A and B is 4:5. After 5 years they will be the ratio of 5:6. Find the present age of A is. Find the present age of A is. Okay na? And ఈ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి 30 seconds is enough అండి. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసే క్లాక్ స్టార్టింగ్ లో 30 seconds ఉందండి. అంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి 30 seconds is enough అండి. 30 seconds is enough అనమాట. ఓకేనా? 30 seconds ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, నో ఇష్యూ అండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బేసిక్ మెథడ్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ గైస్. ఓకేనా? రైట్. సో ద గివెన్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ A is to B, the ratio is how much guys? 4:5. అంటే A is how many parts? 4 parts. B is how many parts? 5 parts. Okay, their ages we don't know guys. Their ages we don't know. Let x. Their ages we don't know. Let x. Then 4x is to 5x. 4x is to 5x. Read the next statement. What is the next statement? After 5 years. After means plus. 4x plus 5 is to 5x plus 5. After 5 years. Read the next statement. They will be the ratio of. They will be the ratio of 5:6. They will be the ratio of 5:6. Find the present age of A. Look at the screen guys sir carefully. For example, look like A and B and C and D. Okay, look like a proportion. What is the proportion formation? AD is equal to BC. Okay na? Just arrange AD is equal to BC guys here. BC formation. 6 into 4x plus 5 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 5. Let me calculate. 6 4s are 24x plus 6 5s are 30. Next, 5 5s are 25x plus again 5 5s are 25. ఓకేనా. ఎక్స్లో సైడ్ తీసుకొచ్చేద్దామండి. 25x minus 24x, x 30 minus 25, 5. X value is how many years, guys, here? 5 years. Okay. So we have to find out the percentage of A. A is how many parts here? 4x. Then is equal to 4 into X value is how much? 5. 4 5s are 20. So which option is the right answer? Option 1 is the right answer, guys. So this is a basic method, guys. Any doubts regarding basic method, guys? All of you, please respond in chat box. Yes, very good. Somebody saying answer. Excellent, Andy. 20 years. Any doubts regarding basic method? Okay, right, Andy. I'm going to shortcut method, guys, here. I'm going to shortcut method. The given information A is to be so much? 4 is to 5. After 5 years, the ratio is how much? 5 is to 6, Andy. Listen, guys, here. Problem lo after anna ego anna same shortcut workout అవుతుంది. ఇలా మిడిల్ నోట్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా, రైట్. What is the first step? The first step here, cross multiplication, check the difference. The first step, cross multiplication, check the difference. 6 4s are 24, 5 5s are 25, 25 24 difference is how much? 1. Not a minus 1, guys, here. Okay, total, enter the concept, no negative values. Why? Because, for example, my age is 50 years, your age is 20 years. So how many years difference, guys? 30 years difference. అంతేగాని -30 అని చెప్తాం మనము? No, అండి. Okay, so we are checking only difference, guys, here. 24 25 difference is how much? 1. That's the first step. What is the first step? Cross multiplication, check the difference. Cross multiplication, check the difference. Coming to the second step, check the second ratio difference. Check the second ratio difference. First ratio 4 is to 5. Second ratio 5 is to 6. 5 6 difference is how much? 1. That is the step. Second step. Second step means check the second ratio difference. Second step, second ratio difference. Coming to the third point, multiplication into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. Step 2 difference by step 1 difference. We have to find out the percentage of A. A is how many parts here? 4 parts. After how many years? 5 years. 5 4s are 20. It is a multiplication. Next, step 2 difference. Step 2 difference is how much? 1. By step 1 difference is how much? 1 is equal to 20 years. Okay. So which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer, guys. Clear, guys, all of you? Shortcut method. Any doubts regarding shortcut method? All of you, please respond in chat box. Any doubts regarding these two methods, guys? Basic method and shortcut method. Okay, right, Andy. So I'm going to hear one more logic, guys, here. I'm going to hear one more logic. Okay, na? I think no need pen and paper, Andy. Problem చూడగానే జస్ట్ క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చండి. సో ఫాస్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పేయచ్చు. మీకు అర్థం అవడానికి మాత్రం ఇక్కడ నోట్ చేస్తున్నాను. అదర్వైజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అండి. Otherwise not required. So 1 second. Right. First option is 20. Second option is 30, and third option is 41. Okay, look at the screen, guys, here carefully. A is to B ratio is 4 is to 5. After 5 years, okay, after 5 years, the ratio is 5 is to 6, Andy. So find out the percentage of A. Present A is how many parts? 4 parts. After 5 years, A is how many parts? 5 parts. అంటే ఈ 5 తోటి 6 తోటి మనకు అవసరం లేదండి. BH ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటే 5 6 ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. బట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ లో మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? ఓన్లీ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అన్నాడు అండి. ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అన్నాడు. ఓకేనా, రైట్. చూడండి ఒకసారి, ఇందాక నుంచి ఇక్కడ టైమర్ రొటేట్ అవుతుందండి. అంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం 30 seconds ఇస్ ఎనఫ్ అండి. ఓకేనా, ఒకసారి క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. 30 seconds ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. We have to find out the percentage of A. Right, Andy. So what is the first option, guys, here? 20. 20 is a multiples of 4. Yes, 4 5s are 20. After 5 years, after means plus 20 plus 5, 25. 25 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 5s are 25. That's why option 1 is the right answer, guys. Here, option 1 is the right answer. Inka remaining 19 seconds undandi. రిమైనింగ్ ఇంకా 19 సెకండ్స్ ఉంది. అంటే 11 సెకండ్స్ లోనే మనం ప్రాబ్లం అనేది కంప్లీట్ చేసేసాం మనం. గట్ మై పాయింట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? 11 సెకండ్స్ లోనే మనం ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ని కంప్లీట్ చేసామండి. సేస్ ఆర్ నో? ఓకే, సింపుల్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. వాట్ ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్? 20. 20 is a multiples of 4. Yes, 4 5s are 20. After 5 years అన్నాడు. ఆఫ్టర్ అంటే ప్లస్ 20 plus 5, 25. 25 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 5s are 25. That's why option 1 is the right answer. Check the remaining options also, no problem, guys. What is second option? 30. 30 is a multiples of 4. No, that's why wrong. Next, third option, 41. 41 is a multiples of 4. No, that's why wrong option. That's why first option is the right answer, guys. సో ఆప్షన్ చూసి మనం ఈజీగా ఆప్షన్ వెరిఫికేషన్ అండి. ఆప్షన్ అండి క్వశ్చన్ లోకి ఎంటర్ అవ్వచ్చు మనం. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్, గైస్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్? ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ థర్డ్ మెథడ్? కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ గా రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వాలండి. ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్, సెకండ్ మెథడ్ కానీ లేకపోతే థర్డ్ మెథడ్ లో కానీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తుంటామండి. I think maybe very difficulty అయితేనే మనం బేసిక్ మెథడ్ యూస్ చేస్తాం, అదర్వైజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. Okay, somebody asking shortcut method. Okay, right, Andy. So given information 4 is to find after 5 years. After అన్న ఎగో అన్న ఇలా మిడిల్ లో నోట్ చేయండి అండి. గివెన్ ఇయర్స్ ని ఇలా మిడిల్ లో నోట్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? The first step is cross multiplication. Check the difference. 6 4s are 24. 5 5s are 25. 24 25 difference is how much? 1. We are checking only difference, guys. That is the first step. What is the first step? Cross multiplication. Check the difference. Second step, check the second ratio difference. Second ratio is how much? 5 is to 6. So difference is how much? 1. That is the second step. Coming to the third step, multiplication into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. We have to find out the percentage of A. Present A is how many parts? 4 parts. After how many years? 5 years. 5 4s are 20. It is a multiplication into step 2 difference and step 2 difference and 1 by step 1 difference is how much? 1. Then is equal to answer is 20. That's why option 1 is the right answer, guys. Clear, guys, all of you? Okay, right, and one by one problems మనం fast గా solve చేద్దాం. I think no need pen and paper. Use shortcut method or substitution method. Coming to the next one, guys. What is the answer? Present ages of A and B are in the ratio of 5 is to 4 respectively. After 3 years, ages ratio will become 11 is to 9. What is the present age of B? What is the present age of B? What is the answer, guys? All of you, please respond in chat box. Which option is the right answer? Yes, very good, excellent. And is somebody saying answer? 24. Excellent and excellent. Okay, we have to find out the percentage of B. Present B is how many parts? 4 parts. After 3 years, B is how many parts? 9 parts. And go through option verification. What is the first option? 20. 20 is a multiples of 4. Yes, 4 5s are 20. After 3 years, after means plus 20 plus 3, 23. 23 is a multiples of 9. No, That's why first option is the wrong option. Move on to second option. What is second option? 24. 24 is a multiples of 4. Yes. 4 6 are 24. Okay. After 3 years, 24 plus 3, 27. 27 is a multiples of 9. Yes. 9 3s are 27. That's why option B is the right answer, guys. Clear and all of you? Say yes or no. If you are going to basic method, if you are going to shortcut method, we'll get the same answer, guys. No problem. కావాలని చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చండి. What is the first step? Cross multiplication. Check the difference. 9 5s are 45. 11 4s are 44. Difference is how much? 1. What is the second step? Check the second ratio difference. 11 9. Difference is how much? 2. Coming to the third step. Multiplication into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. We have to find out the percentage of B. Present B is how many parts? 4 parts. After how many years? 3 years. 3 4s are 12 into step 2 difference is how much? 2. By step 1 difference is how much? 1. Next, 12 twos are 24. That's why option B is the right answer. Very good. Somebody saying answer. Excellent. Andy. So any doubts regarding this problem, guys? All of you, please respond in chat box. Any doubts regarding this problem? Okay. Right, Andy. And move on to next one. The ratio of the present ages of two brothers is 1 is to 2. And 5 years back, the ratio was 1 is to 3. What will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? Very good question, guys. What is the answer? Which option is the right answer? All of you, please respond in chat box. Yeah, very good. Somebody saying answer 3 is to 5. Very good, excellent. Answer is 3 is to 5. ఫాస్ట్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చండి. కాన్సెప్ట్ ప్రాపర్గా ఉంటే చాలంతే. ఓకేనా? హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ బ్యాక్? 5 ఇయర్స్ బ్యాక్. ఆఫ్టర్ అన్న ఎగో అన్న సేమ్ షార్ట్ కట్ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందండి. What is the first step? Cross multiplication. Check the difference. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. Difference is how much? 1. Next, 1, 3 difference is how much? 2. First, find out the first brother A. First brother is how many parts? 1 part. How many years back? 5 years back. 1 into 5, 5. Okay. Into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. 5 twos are 10. First brother age is how many years, guys? 10 years. And find out the second brother age. Second brother is how many parts here? 2 parts. 5 twos are 10 into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. 10 twos are 20. Second brother age is how much, guys? 20 years. We have to find out the after 5 years age, guys, here. Okay, na? After 5 years age ratio. After and ఏంటి ప్లస్ కదా. 10 plus 5, 20 plus 5. 10 plus 5, 15. 20 plus 5, 25. Let me calculate. So 5 threes are and 5 fives are 25. Then answer is 3 is to 5. Which option is the right answer? Option B is the right answer. Clear, guys, all of you? So very, very, very dead easy question, guys. Yes, very good. Somebody saying answers. Excellent. Any doubts regarding this problem? Right. Move on to next one, guys. The present age of father is 5 times the age of his son. 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times the age of his son at that time. How old is father at present? Very good question, guys. What is the answer, guys? All of you, please respond in chat box. First, read the question properly. We'll get the answer. What is the answer, guys? Yes, yes, very good. Somebody saying answer. Excellent. 45 years. Very good, excellent. Father and son. Father and son. First, read the question properly, guys. The present age of father is 5 times the age of his son. Son age is we don't know, guys. Let one. I'm going to shortcut method. That's why we are taking. Son age is 1. Father is how many times? 5 times. 1 into 5, 5. Okay, right. Next, 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times the age of his son at that time. So 5 years ago also, son age is we don't know, let one. Okay, father is how many times? 10 times. 1 into 10, 10. This is the formation, guys, here. Okay, so go through option verification. What is the first option? 45. Second option, 50. Third option, 60. We have to find out the percentage of father, guys, here. Right. What is the first option? 45. 45 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 nines are 45. 5 years ago. Ago means minus. 45 minus 5. 40. 40 is a multiples of 10. Yes, 4 tens are 40. So that's why option 1 is the right answer, guys. Option 1 is the right answer. Check the remaining options also, no problem. Second option is how much? 50. 50 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 tens are 50. 5 years ago. Ago means minus. 50 minus 5. 45. 45 is a multiples of 10. No, that's fine. Wrong, I see. And coming to the next one, 60. 60 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 twelves are 60. 5 years ago, 60 minus 5, 55. 55 is a multiples of 10. No, that's why wrong. First option is the right answer, guys. Here, guys, all of you. Any doubts regarding this problem, guys? All of you, please respond in chat box. No doubts? Okay. And move on to next one, guys. 4 years ago, the ratio of the ages of A and B was 2 is to 3. And after 4 years, it will become 5 is to 7. Find their present age. Find their present age. So what is the answer, guys? Very good question. All of you, please respond in chat box. Yeah, somebody saying answer option B. Okay, already deleted. Yeah, somebody saying answer option D. Very good, excellent. Option D is the right answer. Okay, let me check, guys, here. If you are going to basic method, if you are going to shortcut method, if you are going to substitution method, we'll get the same answer, guys. I will get the same answer. I'm going to your substitution method, guys, here. What is the first option, guys? 36 and 40 years. 36 and 40 years. Right. 4 years ago. Ago means minus. Ago means minus. Okay. Next. After 4 years. After 4 years. So after 4 years. Right. Look at the screen, guys, and carefully. 36 minus 4. 32. 32 is a multiples of 2. Yes. Next. 40 minus 4. 36. 36 is a multiples of 3. Yes. After 4 years. 36 plus 4. 40. 40 is a multiples of 5. Yes. 40 plus 4. 44. 44 is a multiples of 7. No. That's why first option is the wrong option, guys. That's why first option is a wrong option. And move on to second option. 32 and 48. 32 and 48 అండి ఓకేనా సో 4 years ago ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years అండి అంటే మొత్తం చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి జస్ట్ క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి ఒకసారి 48 minus 4 44 44 is a multiples of 3 కాదు కదా సో దట్స్ వై ఆప్షన్ బి ఇస్ ద రాంగ్ ఆప్షన్ అండ్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ అంటే అన్ని చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ 40 and 56 40 and 56 so 56 minus 4 52 52 is a multiples of 3 no that's why wrong option ఓకేనా సో ఇంకా ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందండి నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అండి ఆప్షన్ 4 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ క్లియర్ గా చెప్పేయచ్చు ఎందుకు చెప్పొచ్చు సార్ అంటే ఇచ్చింది 4 ఆప్షన్స్ అండి ఓన్లీ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్ గివెన్ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ గివెన్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ 3 ఆప్షన్స్ రాంగ్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి ఆప్షన్ 4 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అనే కదా ఇచ్చిన 4 ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఫస్ట్ 3 ఆప్షన్స్ రాంగ్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి ఆప్షన్ 4 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అని మీనింగ్ అండి ఓకేనా బట్ క్లాస్ కాబట్టి నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను వన్ టైం జస్ట్ క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ 36 and 52 జస్ట్ క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి అండి సో 4 years ago అన్నాడు 36 minus 4 ఎంత 32 32 is a multiples of 2 yes next 52 minus 4 ఎంత 48 48 is a multiples of 3 yes next after 4 years 36 plus 4 40 40 is a multiples of 5 yes next 52 plus 4 56 56 is a multiples of 7 yes 7 8 is a 56 that's why option D is the right answer guys clear and all of you please respond in chat box any doubts regarding this problem ఎనీ డౌట్స్ గైస్? రైట్ అండి. సో చాలా మందికి ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుందంటే ఆప్షన్ బి అని వస్తుందండి. ఓకేనా? ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు. రైట్. ఒకసారి క్లియర్ గా చూద్దామండి. 2:3 and 5:7. రైట్, ఇక్కడ చూడండి. 4 years ago, after 4 years, అంటే total 8 years guys here. 4 years ago, after 4 years అంటే total how many years? 8 years. రైట్. ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ ప్రొసీజర్ మనకు తెలుసు. What is the first step? Cross multiplication. Check the difference. 7 twos are 14. 5 threes are 15. Difference is how much? 1. 5 7 difference is how much? 2. Right. First find out the AA. A is how many parts here? 2 parts. Okay. Now, after how many years? 8 years. 8 twos are 16. Into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. 36 twos. Sorry. 16 twos are 32. Next, find out the B age. B is how many parts here? 3 parts. 8 threes are 24 into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. 24 twos are 48. 32 48. Option B లో answer ఉంది. That's why option B is the right answer అని చెప్తానండి, but it's wrong అవుతుంది. Why? Because listen, this type of problems answers depending on starting statement. Okay, so this type of problems answers depending on starting statement. And 4 years ago, a age was 4 years ago 32 years. But problem మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ అండి. ఓకేనా? 4 years ago 32 అయితే ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? సో 4 years యాడ్ చేస్తాం మనం సింపుల్ గా. 32 + 4 36 years. ఓకేనా? 48 + 4 52 years. Their ages after 4 years, how much guys? 36 and 52. That's why option D is the right answer. What my point, all of you? If you are going to shortcut method, answers depending on so starting statement. 4 years ago అన్నాడు అంటే ఈ 32 years ఎప్పుడండి? 4 years ago 32 అండి. నా ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఎంత? 36 years. Got my point, all of you? So any doubts regarding this problem? All of you please respond in chat box. Right. Next example. I am 3 times as old as my son. 15 years hence, I will be twice as old as my son. The sum of our ages is. Very good question, guys. What is the answer? And simple question. The sum of our ages is I am and my son. I am 3 times as old as my son. My son age is I don't know. Let one. I am how many times? 3 times. 1 into 3, 3. Next, 15 years hence, I will be twice as old as my son. 15 years hence also, my son age is I don't know. Let one. Okay, na? So how many times? Twice. Twice means 2 times. 1 into 2, 2. So this is a formation, guys. If you are going to shortcut method, if you are going to basic method, if you are going to option verification method also, we'll get the answer. Okay, na? Right. So first option 60, second option 40, third option 30. Okay, na? We have to find out the sum of our ages. Sum means adding. Okay, na? So present. I am 3 parts. My son age is 1 part. 15 years hence. 15 years. I will be twice as old as my son. Sum find out Charlie. And 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 1, 4 parts. And next 2 plus 1, 3 parts. And go through option verification. What is the first option? 60. 60 is a multiples of 4. Yes, 4 15s are 60. Next, so 60 is a multiples of 3. Yes, 320 is 60. That's why option 1 is the right answer, guys. Here, option 1 is the right answer. Check the remaining options also. 40. 40 is a multiples of 4. Yes. 40 is a multiples of 3. No, that's why wrong. 30 is a multiples of 4. No, that's why wrong. First option is the right answer. Different way solve చేయొచ్చు, no issue అండి. We'll get the same answer. If you are going to basic method, if you are going to shortcut method, if you are going to substitution method, we'll get the same answer, no problem. ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మనం ఎంత ఫాస్ట్ గా షార్ప్ గా ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేసినది మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ మ్యాటర్ అండి. ఓకే, సో కాంపిటేటివ్ వరల్డ్ లో మనం ఉండాలంటే స్మార్ట్ గా థింక్ చేయాల్సిందే. స్మార్ట్ గా థింక్ చేసి ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని ఫాస్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. 1 minute లో సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం సార్, 2 minutes లో 5 minutes సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం సార్ అంటే కాంపిటేటివ్ వరల్డ్ లో నువ్వు లేనట్టే మీనింగ్ అండి ఇక్కడ. కాంపిటేటివ్ వరల్డ్ లో ఉండాలి అంటే బ్రెయిన్ షార్ప్ గా వర్క్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు మాత్రమే మనము క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి క్రాక్ చేయగలము, ఇంటర్వ్యూని మనం క్రాక్ చేయగలము. మీరు ఎక్కడో బాడీ ప్రెసెంట్ మైండ్ ఆబ్సెంట్ ఉందనుకోండి, డెఫినెట్లీ మనం క్రాక్ చేయము. ఎన్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ అటెండ్ చేసినా సరే, ఎన్ని ఎగ్జామ్స్ అటెండ్ చేసినా సరే మనం క్రాక్ చేయలేము. ఓకే, రైట్ అండి. సో ఇక్కడ స్టాప్ చేసిన రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ టుమారో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. అప్ టు నౌ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ గైస్? అప్ టు నౌ ఎనీ డౌట్స్? If you have any doubts, please ask me. Otherwise, then leave it. We'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ ని క్లోజ్ చేద్దామండి. స్మాల్ టాపిక్, వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అండ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్. No doubts? Okay, guys. Thank you. We'll continue tomorrow.